Hi, my name is Allison Hagler. My ID number is 319-4716 and it is fall 2017. This is Bella, and today she's going to help me show you how to trim a dog's nails. The equipment needed for this is a sharp pair of nail trimmers and some styptic powder such as Quick Stop to help in case you trim into the quick. Now what you want to do is you want to take a paw, and if they have any fur that needs to be pushed back, you want to push it back from the nail. Then, oh, it's okay, Bella. Then you want to start slowly where the nail starts to hook and trim away a little at a time. That will help you steer clear of the quick, the vein that runs through a dog's nails. It's okay, Bella. You're a good girl. It is easier to tell. It's okay, Bella. It's easier to tell in dogs with white or clear claws where the vein is, but in dogs with dark claws, you have to take it extra slow and just chip away a little at a time. As dogs grow older, the vein, the quick, in their claws grows longer. So you have to trim their nails more often, but you need to pay attention to the length, or not the length of the nail, but the length of the quick. This is Creature, and he's going to help me show you how to properly trim a cat's nails. The equipment you will need for this is a nice pair of nail trimmers, the sharper the better, and some styptic powder. Styptic powder is used if you accidentally quick the nail and make it bleed. You can put some styptic powder on it to help with clotting. Now, the quick, oh, I know, Creature. The quick is the pink part of the nail. It's the vein that runs through it. So the best way to trim a cat's nails is to do it slowly and trim away a little at a time. This helps prevent cutting into the vein and causing them pain and bleeding. So, you're a good boy. Let's see if we can get some of those claws trimmed. Oh, what you want to do is take the paw in your hand and push the pad so that the claw pops out. And then you just trim a little at a time. If the claws are clear, you can obviously see where the quick is. But if the claws are dark, you might have a little bit of a harder time. That's why it's easier to go a little bit at a time. All right, we got all of those toes done. You are such a good boy. You want to avoid nicking the vein, the quick, and causing them pain. Again, as I said, if you do, apply just a little bit of styptic powder. You can either dip their claw in it or take a little bit in your fingers and apply it straight to their nail. Today I'm going to show you how to properly give your dog a pill. For this task, all you're going to need is your pet's prescribed medication, but for teaching purposes, I'm going to be using this treat. Now, what you want to do is put one finger, your thumb on one side and your middle finger on the other, and apply gentle pressure until they open their mouths. Come on, Bo, be a good boy. Come on, Bo. Then you're going to place the pill in the far back of their mouths, close their mouths, and rub their throat until they swallow. You'll be able to feel it when they swallow. Good boy, Bo. If they spit the pill out, all you have to do is start over. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly give your cat a pill without using food. The equipment you will need is your pet's medication, but for teaching purposes, I'm going to be using this treat. Now, Gatsby here's a little shy, so We're gonna tell him he's such a good boy. And what you wanna do is gently, well, let's see if we can get him sitting, and gently grasp him behind the head. Use your thumb to open his mouth and put the treat as far back as possible. Then what you want to do is rub his throat until he swallows the pill. You'll be able to feel it when he swallows. Good boy. Good boy, Gatsby. And that's that. If your pet spits the pill out, all you have to do is start over. Today, Max and I are going to show you how to properly catch a urine sample from a male dog. Come on, Max. The required equipment you will need for this is a leash for walking your dog and some sort of utensil or container to collect the urine. I'm choosing to use a ladle because it's easy to get up under a male dog. Come on, Max. Let's go potty. You want to use words of encouragement that your dog understands. Go potty, Max. You want to give the dog a second to start and then catch midstream. Then you can put it in a container and take it to your vet's office for further testing. This demonstration is going to be about how to put a gauze muzzle on a dog. On a big dog like Max here, you're going to want to use 2-inch wide gauze, but on a smaller dog, you would want to use 1 inch. You want to start out with your dog in a seated or lying position, and then you want to get behind the dog. You're going to take your gauze, and you're going to make a loop, and Max, you're going to slide it around. You're laying on it, Max. You're going to slide it around their nose, pull it tight, cross it again, and then pull it back behind their ears and tie it in a quick release bow. Max does not want to cooperate. He wants to look at me and tell me he loves me. Now your dog is secure. He cannot open his mouth. He cannot get the gauze muzzle off, and you are safe to do a procedure.